This is a drawer. Simply put your things in it, wait a few days, and voila! Your things are magically mixed together, and you can enjoy getting lost in the mess limbo. Unless you actually want to get things done. Meet Otis Rack, a product that completely reimagines how desk drawers should be. Let's face it, drawers never worked. Otis provides flexible, customizable spacing, which helps you to easily organize and categorize your things. This makes it much easier to access what you need. And now you might think, wait a minute, can't I just use drawer organizers? Yes, you can. But desk organizers don't always fit right and often add to the clutter. Otis Rack uses movable dividers, which can be adjusted to fit bigger things, smaller things, or whatever you need. Additionally, most organizers only use a small portion of your drawers, leaving tons of wasted space. Otis Rack's efficient design maximizes its usable space. Both Otis Rack units can be used independently or combined into different configurations. It fits different sized desks, even standing desks. To improve workflow, Otis Rack can also be used as a desktop tray. This helps to seamlessly switch between different tasks. Organizing your desk has never been so easy. Say goodbye to clutter and say hello to Otis Rack.